Using your steam oven to make ricotta is so easy, you'll never have to buy it again. Add your milk to a bowl. Add the vinegar and the salt. Give it a quick stir. We're using the sous vide function at 78 degrees for an hour. Strain it through 2 layers of cheesecloth. The longer you strain it for, the drier your ricotta will get. It's up to you how dry you want it. Don't throw away the whey. You can use it for lots of different purposes, including for making bread instead of water, or in soups and casseroles with your stock. You'll never buy ricotta again.